1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the greatest game show on this channel.
The Irish twins learn computer science, and we have our contestants, Arwa, who's 10 years old, doesn't like math too much, kind of, and Hamza, 9 years old, who really likes math. Let's see who's going to master hexadecimal numbers first. Do we have Arwa or Hamza? All right, contestants, do you have your paper and pencils? Are you ready to learn a new math lesson?
Yes.
All right. So in today's lesson, we're going to look at what's a hexadecimal digit. Okay, we're going to learn the different digits and we're going to learn how to count in hexadecimal. Normally, you count in decimal or denary. We use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but hexadecimal is different. Okay, and we're going to solve some questions for points. We're going to see who wins. So this is the normal number system. It's called the Denary number system, and it's base 10. Base 10 means it has 10 distinct digits. Tell me those digits together.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8, 9.
Fantastic. What happens after we finish single digits? We go into double digits, and this is the ones and this is the tens. Okay, we know that number type. These are base 10. Today, we're going to look at something else called hexadecimal. What does hex mean?
I know.
What do you think it means?
I think it means that, like, if you think of a hexagon, it has 6 sides.
Exactly. So the prefix hex means 6. Plus the decimal. What do you think decimal means, Arwa?
Decimal is the dot where it's like the part of a whole after a number.
You're right. So what's the base for a decimal or denary? What's that base? We just talked about it because it has 10 digits, so it's base.
Decimal mean. Oh wait, what do you mean?
So the decimal number system is base 10. 10 plus 6 means the hexadecimal number system is base 16. And base 16 means we have 16 digits. We don't have only 10. We don't have only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We also have 6 more digits. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have 16 digits, okay? So the hexadecimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? What do you think happens after F?
I feel like you continue the numbers.
So how many digits would we see? What do you think might happen? I'm going to show you, but I just want to know what you might think. So what happens here after we finish the last digit?
You start A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay, yeah. So in the denary, we go 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have A, B, C, D, F, and then we're going to have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is the hexadecimal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then it's 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, it's important that I know how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal because this is what I understand, and we use hexadecimal in computers, so I'll tell you about that later. All right, so we're gonna go with, here is 1, 0. That means I have 0 ones plus 1 16s. This is the 16s place value. All right, this is the ones place value, and this is the 16s place value in the second digit. In decimal, I have...
Can I have a question?
Yes.
Like, after the F comes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 until 16. And then we start A, B, C, D, E, F again.
We have 16, 17, 18, 19, 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, then 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 9. Yes, Arwa?
Oh my God.
Ask away before the points questions comes. Yes.
How do we compare them? And
Well,
how
we
do
have to know that A is actually equal to 10 in our number system, our base 10. B is equal to 11. C is equal to 12.
Okay.
All right. So now, like, how do I know what 10 is? If it's hexadecimal, how do I convert it to decimal or denary? So this is the ones and this is the 16s. I have 0 ones and I have 1 16. That means 1 0 in hex is equal to
16.
16.
16 in denary or decimal. All right. So let's have the first question is for 1 point. All right. Bismillah. First question. What is f plus 4 in hex? So we have f here. If I wanted to add 4 to it, what would the answer be in hex? Once you have the answer, shout it out.
Oh,
Me.
Yes.
So I have to do it in hex.
Yeah. So we're just continuing in hex. So
So
f
it's 16 with it's 15 plus 4.
and how much is that?
I know.
So-
Okay. Yes, Arwa.
And that is 20.
What do you think, Arwa?
19.
So that's 19. Did you give me your
But in-
answer in hex or did you give it to me in denary?
No, we gave it in Denary. Now we need to give it in hex, right?
All right. So what is it in hex?
19.
I think. 13.
So f plus 1 is 10, f plus 2 is 11, f plus 3 is 12, f plus 4 is 13. Is she correct?
Yeah.
Okay, we have 1 point for Arwa. Let's put the points. Okay, we have 1 point for Arwa. But these are examples, then we have competition questions. So how do we convert 5A, which is hexadecimal, to denary? Well, what do you think is what we're gonna do? So this is
I know.
Okay, what do you think, Hamza?
A equals to 10 times 1
Okay.
and 5 equals to 5 times 16.
Fantastic. All right, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do A times 1 is equal to 10 plus 5 times 16 is equal to 80. So the answer is 90. Be careful, Arwa. I think we have some strong, components. These are just the examples, but there are going to be some 5-point and 10-point questions for today's round. Now, the other example, so 16 to the power of 0 is 1. And 16 to the power of 1 is 16. And this is base 16. So we have the 1s, the 16s, and we have, what's 16 times 16? That's a really hard one for you guys, but what do you think 16 times 16 is? Or it's showing. So 16 times
Let's
16 is,
do it on the paper.
you're going to try it? You
Yeah.
know how to do 16 times 16?
Huh? What? 60 times 60?
16 times 16. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. All right, try 16 times 16 and show me your papers.
I did forget a bit how to do it.
I got the answer.
What do you think 16 times 16 is, Hamza?
256.
Let me see your paper. Okay, it's kind of hard for me to see, but I believe you. Fantastic. We're adding a point to Hamza for getting that. So right now we are tied. All right. This is the 16s and this is the 256s. Arwa, how do you think we convert 23F? Okay, this is a hexadecimal number. How are we going to convert it to a denary number?
What?
So we have 23F. Okay, so this is the competition today, 23F. It's a hexadecimal number. We know it's hexadecimal because it has letters. And I want to convert it to denary. I want to make it in our numbers. So how do you think I'm going to do it? This is the 1s, this is the 16s, and this is the 256. Lead me through this question.
I still don't know how to do it.
What do you think 1 times f is in Denary?
Wait a second. Is F is 15. So
Great.
it's 15.
So this is 15. Okay, this is kind of a hard one. What's 3 times 16? What's 3 times 6?
I know.
Wait, Hamza, give her a chance. What's 3 times
3
6?
times 6 is... I know 2 times 6 is 12.
Okay, and then what's 3 times 6?
What, 18, right?
Fantastic. So 18 plus, okay,
18
plus 10
plus
times 3.
10. What? 18 plus 10 times. 10
Yeah, what's
times 3 is 30. So 18 plus 30, which is 48.
Okay, is that correct, Hamza?
Correct.
Yes, good job.
Yeah.
So you got 15 plus 48. Now what's 256 times 2? Use your papers. Tell me what's 256 times 2.
I don't need to use my papers.
Okay, give Arwa
I
a
know
chance
the
and you
answer.
correct her.
Wait, I'm gonna do it. Wait.
So you can do
It's very
250
easy.
times 2, 250 times 2 plus 6 times 2.
Can I say the
1,
answer?
2.
Why don't you show me with your fingers, Hamza, digit by digit while she calculates. So what's the biggest number? It's, okay. All right. $256 is like 250 times 2. What's 250 times 2, Arwa? What? Okay, try what's 250 times 2? Think about it. 250 times 2.
250 times 2. Oh, that's 50. And 50.
No.
No, 250 times 2 is 500, I meant. I meant 500.
And what's 6 times 2?
6 times 2 is 12, so it's
Okay.
512.
Fantastic. So we have 15 plus 48 plus 512. What's the grand total? Who can calculate? 23F in hex is how much in Denary? We need to add those numbers quickly. Try adding
My
these
God.
two quickly. Look for...
Think a lot of calculations. Okay, so
I got the answer.
wait.
Yeah, show it in the screen. Let Arwa continue. All right, what do you both get? Tell me. Say it out loud.
No, wait, I'm not done. I'm not done.
570.
I only did the first part of it. I did
All
not
right,
done.
finish it, Arwa. It's okay.
Think.
All right, both of you shout it out.
575.
Fantastic. Great job. Now you're ready. Now we've done 2 examples. We saw that 5a is equal to 90, and we saw that 23f is equal to 575. So now we have the real questions of today's round. Contestants, get ready. I need you to tell me what's 4e in Denary and 2d in Denary. All right, solve them both. Each of these are 5 points.
Oh my God. I forgot how to do
Boy.
everything.
So this is which place
I
value?
can do this.
I know.
Ones, and this is the how many ones and how
Oh.
many?
Yeah, okay, I know.
And then
I think
I
I'm
got the
done.
answer.
I
Okay.
think I'm done.
so Hamza, you did 4e.
Yeah.
All right, how much is 4e?
I know.
78.
How did you solve it?
4 times 16 equals 64. E
And
equals 14. 64 plus 14 equals 78.
Do you agree?
No.
Correct. So that is 5 points for Hamza. Arwa,
Really?
try to solve the 2D one.
I'll try to.
The question, what is it?
2 times 16
I got the answer for
plus
2D.
1 times D. All right, give her a chance, Hamza, for this one. 2 times 16, Arwa.
No, I just didn't see that. You didn't have to tell me what it was. It's 2D. You didn't have to tell me what D was.
I didn't tell you.
I don't understand. So it's 13 times 2.
So it's 13 plus, because this is 13 times 1, plus 2 times what, Arwa? This is the ones, so we have 13 times 1. And this is the 16s. What's 2 times 16?
Wait. Let me see. 22. So it's 32.
32 plus D. Okay, what's the D?
The D is I forgot its name. Wait. D is 13. No. I meant 45.
You're correct. Good job. Is she correct, Hamza?
Right.
Is that what you got? You got it first?
Yeah.
All right, so I think the 5 points. All right, then we have a tough round.
I don't know the steps, honestly.
Can you see the steps here? What did we multiply this digit by? This is the ones. So the last number is always the ones. And this number in the middle is the 16s. How many 16s we have in our number? And this is the 256s. So we have C1s, which is 12. We have 5 16s, which is 80. And we have 1 256. And if you add them together, get 256 plus 90.
I think I got my answer.
You already finished the second question?
But I'm not sure if it's right.
Third number. The first number is the ones. The second number from the right is the 16s. And the third number is the 256s. So D, we're going to multiply it by 1. A, we're going to multiply it by 16. And 2.
Oh, I thought you only multiply the numbers, not the letters.
256. All right, it's still anybody's game. All you got to do is multiply. You do have to multiply the numbers. So D is equal to what? A is 10. B
D is 13. 13 times 1 equals 13. A is 10. A times 6. 10 times 16 equals 160. So 160 plus 13 is 173. And 2 times 256 is 512. So 512 plus 173. I'll do that. 112. $785.
Is that correct, Arwa?
Wait, what was the
So we need to do 512 plus 173.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. I did 273. I mean 173.
Okay, it's gonna read.
It's 685.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. We have a winner. Okay, so in today's episode, Hamza is the winner. Thank you very much for joining us.
Okay, guys, now comment down which team you're in.
Congrats, Hamza. Yeah, comment down which team you're in for next time. Next time we might be doing some coding or flowcharts. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.